Hello guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you companies that pay you $50 plus for your opinion, and you can do this on your phone. You don't need any laptop or a computer. But before we dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Time is money and I don't want to waste yours, so let's get started. Number 1, Experience Dynamics. This is a user feedback website that pays you to review software applications and website designs. They hire globally and pay $50 to $150 per study, which ranges between 1 to 2 hours. It can be a phone interview or focus group studies or even a diary study where you are required to record your thoughts over a period of 2 weeks. Some of the type of studies that you may come across include accessibility testing, where your job will be to give an opinion about the design of a website. For example, does it work well? Is it accessible to all kinds of people, including disabled people? For this kind of testing, it's mostly open to disabled individuals, which gives the client real insight into specific accessibility issues that need to be fixed, if any. The second type of testing that you may come across on this website is user research. The client will be looking into studying the behavior, cultural triggers, preferences of the customers they are targeting. So they do this by getting feedback from different people who have different profiles. The third one is eye tracking. You may be asked to browse through the application or website, and the client may ask you what you see. They are trying to find out what draws your attention the most and why is that. Maybe the font or the colors, etc. Number 4, interactive design. Applications usually have interaction model, and these models tell or rather show the client how users interact with the interface. Other types of testing that you may come across on this website once you are hired include visual design, mobility testing, expert reviews, and usability testing. Number 2, MindSwims. Not to be confused with MindSumo. This website also pays you $50 plus for every 10 questions that you answer about a product or a service. They basically have one study and it consists of 10 questions. Not that you have to do 10 different studies to make that $50. The entire study can take about 10 minutes to an hour, and as part of the application, you are required to record a 60-second video about yourself and your passions. You can do this on your phone, like directly on the platform, or you can record a video separately on your phone and then upload it to the platform. They do this to make sure that you are really comfortable with video recording, because all the studies on this website are in video form. So if you're not comfortable with recording videos, then this particular website may not be for you. Once you're in, you're going to have an opportunity to choose up to 10 topic interests. And there's also an option that asks you how often do you want to be notified about new studies. Always choose immediately. What I like about MindSwims is that you get paid within 24 hours after completing the study, unlike other sites where you have to wait a couple of days. Number 3, SIS International. This is a focus group website that pays $50 to $200 per study. On rare occasions, you may find studies for $25. Because this is a focus group website, every time you're invited, you will be joining 6 to 8 people, giving consumer feedback on certain products and services. As you can see here, these are all available studies, even in different languages. They use SurveyMonkey for pre-screening, so it can be confusing when you're signing up. There is only one form that you need to fill to be on their database, and then you'll be receiving email from them, or you can apply directly to one of these studies. If you are someone who is shy or not comfortable with giving your opinion in front of other people, this may not be for you, because you'll always be in a group of people from different parts of the world. Number 4, IfSource IfSource is one of the largest market research companies, and they've been around for over a decade now. They accept participants worldwide, and they pay $100 for 1 hour long sessions. On top of that, they also have short studies, and they pay $2 for those ones. Of course, those studies take much less time. But when I was on their platform over a couple of days, I realized that they have more short studies than long studies. So if you're someone who only wants to do long studies for better pay, I wouldn't recommend this website alone. I'd say maybe partner it up with other websites as well. But overall, it is a great website that you can earn from. And of course, do check it from day to day. You will find long studies every now and then, but generally I saw more short studies than long studies, but maybe it's also because of my location. As I find and test more similar companies, I will be sharing with you, especially mobile friendly opportunities, because not everyone has a laptop. If you would like to get paid $50 plus for your opinion, go ahead and apply to these companies. Another company they should check out is Marketed. There's nothing really to go into details about. It's a similar website like these ones. They pay you for your opinion, and I will link it down below as well. If you have any questions regarding these companies or any question in general, comment down below. I'm gonna try to reply as soon as I can. Bye.